Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about how you can actually install this kind of punch hole good looking wallpapers in the POCO F3 GT device. Yes, so a lot of users they have been asking me this kind of question that can you please explain what is the application and you are using for this kind of wallpapers which is exactly suitable for this kind of punch hole for the POCO F3 GT device. So in this video, I'll try to explain friends what is the application and what is the advantages of this application mainly. Why I'm recommending this application. So there are plenty of other applications which are available. I'll try to do individual review as well, but this video is something special. I'll try to explain you why as well. The main reason why we need to download this kind of application is because to have this kind of integration with the front cam and with the wallpaper, which looks really cool and really attractive. That is the main reason why you can install this kind of application. So let's start with the application. What is the name? So is the name of the application which is called the A51 and A71 punch hole wallpaper, as you can see. So basically this wallpaper is designed for the Samsung A51 and A71 wallpaper phones, but still the POCO F3 GT has got even the punch hole mechanism same like other phones. That is reason this wallpaper application is exactly suitable for the POCO F3 GT as well, as you can see exactly. So let me try to open this wallpaper. The reason why, the first main thing why I'm really interested is because you can actually download these wallpapers. Yes, absolutely, yes. Let me try to show you friends. So once you click on this wallpaper, try to click on this line. So now there's an option which is called the save to gallery. So there's a very good advantage with this application. So you don't need any kind of pro version at all. So for the free, yes, for the free you can actually download, and there are not much ads available in this kind of wallpaper application at this moment, as you can see clearly. So which looks fantastic though. This is the only main reason why I did like this wallpaper application. So for free user, you can actually download the wallpapers and there are not much ads, videos coming in this kind of wallpaper application. That is the reason I thought of recommending this one. So which looks fantastically cool, as you can see friends. So what are the wallpaper you try? So most of the wallpapers are designed in such a way that to integrate with the front cam of the POCO F3 GT. So basically it's designed for the Samsung phone, but still you can actually use it for the POCO F3 GT as well without any kind of issues, as you can see exactly, which looks really cool. So only few wallpapers you can actually find. Not all of them will be suitable. Most of them, yeah, most of them looks really cool. Sometimes the interface is not that flexible enough. You need to right now. Let me try to open. I'll try to set the wallpaper. I'm trying to go back to the home screen. Again, I'm trying to open this wallpaper application. Let me try to show you. Now what happens is that if you try to select this wallpaper, just observe. This will demonstrate the previous wallpaper what you opened. That's the one bug is there in this kind of application. That's the one thing, but still you can actually get this kind of really cool looking wallpapers, as you can see. So once you download all the wallpapers whatever you required in the phone, then you can definitely uninstall this application. If you want, you can uninstall. That's it. So this is a very good application friends, which you can definitely try in your POCO F3 GT in case if you are using with this kind of punch hole mechanism, as you can see exactly. So very soon I'll try to come up even with the 4D wallpaper applications as well very soon. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So I do know I'm uploading a lot of phone reviews only, but I'll try to concentrate even on the Android games and applications. So which may be really interesting for a lot of other users most of the time. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on the POCO F3 GT, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely come up with the pretty good interesting wallpaper applications very soon. So the main reason this application I'm recommending is because only for the download purpose. You can actually download this wallpapers and save. You can actually save in the gallery with the free version itself. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.